Quickstep living floors are an increasingly popular choice for both domestic and commercial flooring projects. In the preparation video, you can see how to prepare different types of floor, creating the clean, dry and level subfloor required for Quickstep living panels. Once the correctly prepared subfloor is in place, the next stage before laying is acclimatization of the flooring and adhesive. This is crucial, as failure to condition the products correctly is one of the most frequent causes of failures. The panels and the adhesive should be stored flat in the room in which they are going to be laid for 24 to 48 hours, depending on conditions. The room temperature throughout this period should be a constant 18 to 26 degrees Celsius. This temperature should also be maintained for 24 hours after the Quickstep living floor has been installed. Once you have acclimatized the products, you are ready to install your Quickstep living floor. First, decide which way the living panels are going to be laid. This is generally parallel to the direction light enters the room. Get your starting point for laying the panels by measuring the room and finding the center line. Laying panels from this line will ensure that the floor is laid straight and looks symmetrical. Be sure to mix up panels from different packs so that any differences of finish between packs are evened out. Starting from the center line, dry lay the panels without adhesive. This will show whether any cuts are required. If very small cuts are necessary, you can avoid this problem by shifting the center line slightly. Stagger the rows, as this creates a more attractive floor than panels in straight lines. When cutting panels to size, it is essential to be accurate. There's no need to allow for an expansion gap. Here's how to cut panels simply and accurately. Place the panel to be cut exactly over the last one laid. Place another panel on top of the panel to be cut, with its top edge against the wall. Scribe a line onto the panel to be cut using the bottom edge of the top panel as a guide. Now remove the dry-laid panels and apply Quickstep living glue evenly to the subfloor using an A2 trowel. It's essential to use this glue that was specifically formulated in conjunction with the adhesive specialist Saldor to make installation of QS living floors fast and easy. This glue is of the highest quality, spreads easily, guarantees fast adhesion, and also offers the highest strength. On top of that, it offers the best dimensional stability in the market and is waterproof too. Place the panels into the wet adhesive. When a section is complete, roll it to ensure optimum adhesion. Now lay the floor in the second half of the room in the same way. All done. Simply leave the floor for 24 hours. But remember, the room needs to be kept at a constant temperature of 18 to 26 degrees Celsius for 24 hours after laying to complete the acclimatization of living panels. Before we go, a quick word about maintaining your Quickstep floor in tip-top condition. For the floor's first cleaning after installation, start by vacuuming the floor. Then wash using just water and Quickstep Clean. Repeat the cleaning until the cleaning water is clear. Once the Quickstep living floor is in place, the protective polyurethane coating of the wear layer means there's no need for special treatment. So for regular cleaning, simply use a broom, a microfiber cloth, a vacuum cleaner or mop with Quickstep Clean.